One of the best known management tools is a SWOT analysis. But what is it? And how do you do a SWOT analysis? A SWOT analysis, which stands for Strengths, Weaknesses, Opportunities and Threats, is a structured process for analysing a situation. It looks at the factors that can affect an organisation, a team, or an initiative. Here then is my basic process for conducting an effective SWOT analysis. First, define your objective. Determine what you want your SWOT analysis to achieve. It might be for a new product launch, an organisational strategy, or your team's performance. And also, what will be the scope of your investigation? Second, gather a team. Include people with a range of different perspectives, experience and approaches to get the broadest possible analysis of the situation. Include stakeholders from various different departments like operations, management, sales, personnel and finance. Third, collect data. Start with internal data. Review performance data, financial reports, employee feedback and operational data as a basis to identify internal strengths and weaknesses. Then move to external data. Study market trends, industry forecasts, competitor analysis, customer feedback, and regulatory changes to identify opportunities and threats. Number 4, set up a SWOT framework. Create a 2x2 grid with the following headings in each box. Strengths, the organisation's competitive advantages or assets. Weaknesses, the internal limitations or areas that need improvement. Opportunities, changes, both external and internal, that you could harness for your benefit. And threats, again, internal or external changes or challenges that could set you back. Number 5, brainstorm and populate the grid. Under strengths, put down what the organisation does well. Things like, for example, brand reputation, skills workforce, proprietary technology. Under weaknesses, make a note of any areas that need improvement or could present problems in the future. This might include things like outdated technology, skills gaps, or limitations on the resources you have available. Then look into the future to populate the opportunities and threats boxes. Use a tool like PEST or PESTLE or Spector's analysis. All of these are very similar frameworks that remind us of sources of opportunity or threat on the horizon. My own favourite is the Spector's framework. Spector's stands for social or societal changes, political changes, both external and internal, economic or financial changes or pressures on you or your organisation, commercial or competitive changes or pressures. Technology will always offer both threats and opportunities to an organisation or a part of an organisation. Then we have regulatory or legislative threats or opportunities. Then there is the environment, the big global environment or the smaller local environment. And finally, S stands for safety, security, and factors around health and welfare. Number 6, analyse and prioritise. First, evaluate impact by assigning levels of significance to each factor. Then, look for interconnections and interactions between individual strengths and weaknesses and individual threats and opportunities. How can strengths mitigate threats or leverage opportunities? How can weaknesses diminish your ability to deal with threats or harness opportunities? How can opportunities allow you to deal with weaknesses and improve strengths? And how can threats gnaw away at your weaknesses or challenge your strengths? Finally, look for actionable insights. Focus on those items that offer the greatest strategic impact and value. Number 7, develop an action plan. Start by looking for strategies to enhance and capitalize on your strengths. Then create plans to either address your weaknesses or find contingencies to work around them. Then look for ways to apply your strengths to craft strategies to take advantage of the opportunities available to you. Finally, apply your strengths to build contingency plans that will enable you to avert or mitigate the impacts of threats. 8. Document your analysis. Summarize all your findings and your plans in a clear and concise format that creates a record that you can use as a guide to your actions and as a communication tool to let your stakeholders know what you have learned and what you are going to do. And finally, number 9, review and update regularly. Schedule regular reviews to assess and update your SWOT analysis in the light of changing circumstances and new pressures and opportunities for your team, for your initiative, or for your business. SWOT analysis is a simple tool, but don't let its simplicity fool you. It is also a powerful tool that can give you great and actionable insights into the work that you are leading. Please do give this video a like if you've enjoyed it or learned from it. I'll be making loads more great management courses videos for you, so please do subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of our videos. I'll look forward to seeing you in the next one. In the meantime, keep learning.